every destination is a story waiting to be heard. How do you have others see that story in every detail?
Tourism is a unique and diverse industry that creates opportunities for people to travel, explore the world, connect with cultures, enrich lives, and in doing so, strengthen global communities and individuals' well-being as well.
For me, the best part is trying to connect every culture together. It's about finding the best way to navigate this sea of people, all with different kinds of backgrounds. And I believe that Modul gives you just the right tools for that.
Our responsibility is to help students to gain perspective, to guide them in seeing all the possibilities ahead, and to support them in choosing the path that fits them best.
That's why we are proud to be active members of tourism research associations, collaborate closely with local, national, international tourism organizations such as Austria Tourism or European Travel Commission, as well as have partnerships with tourism businesses such as leading hotel chain in Vienna and beyond. Learning goes beyond the classroom. It's about getting your hands dirty with real projects, case studies, industry connections. It's also about growing with your peers, sharing insights, perspectives, and building community of future tourism leaders.
Learning is a two-way street. I find it inspiring to see curiosity spark as we share experiences and co-create knowledge with our students. With us, students don't just study tourism, they experience it firsthand, working on real-world challenges with leading scholars, industry experts and local communities. We are committed to guiding students as they discover the full range of opportunities in the tourism industry and find the path that fits their ambitions.
Be there. Inspire, educate, grow.